Hi there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are making carrot oil. It has so many benefits that I'm going to talk about, but first I went ahead and washed them, peeled them, and then I got my coconut oil. You can use any type of oil you have. It doesn't have to be coconut. It can be olive, it can be avocado, jojoba, any oil you have works. Then I went ahead and grated my carrots. So carrot oil is good for the skin. For people who want to lighten up their skin, carrot oil. It's good for digestion. Carrot oil is good for the hair, which I'm going to be using it for. So it improves the blood circulation in the scalp, hence preventing hair breakage, hair loss, and strengthen the roots of your hair. That's carrot for you. It has so many benefits. And then after that, I went ahead and put all my carrots in my pot and added more oil. You have to make sure that the oil covers the carrots that you've grated. Then I put it on medium heat, and then afterwards I'll be putting it in this pan so that I can cook it slowly for an hour. Slow cooking it for an hour. Then the next part is optional. I went ahead again and cooked it on a low heat for about 30 minutes. Then I let it cool down again before I sieve it. So now I'm going to grab my sieve and I start to drain our oil. And please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribing. It is so easy to make and simple, doesn't take a lot of time. Okay, one hour for cooking. And if you're home, like osobola nogisaanika okitegeera n'omusaanika and then it cooks slowly.